Hey everyone, here is a quick tutorial on how to make a Tux account. You will need an account to book services as a member, list properties as a host, or list services as a service provider. Don't worry, creating an account is 100% free for all users. Let's get to it. First, go to tuxconcierge.com, then click Sign Up in the top right-hand corner. It will prompt you to sign in if you already have an account or to sign up if you don't have one. Input your zip code to let us know where you'd like to provide or receive services. Then fill out your name, email, and choose a password. Lastly, choose how you would like to primarily use the Tux platform. Select Member if you would like to shop and reserve luxury services and vacation rentals. Select Host if you would like the ability to build a host page, allowing you to list your rental properties for members to book. Or select Service Provider if you would like to create a service listing, allowing members to book your services such as boat and bike rentals, private chefs, fishing charters, and more. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes to set up your Tux account. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on social media or any of our contact information down below.